In this video, I will guide you how to insert emoji in Excel cell. Click in the desired cell first and then press the window key and semicolon key. The emoji panel will appear. Once the panel opens, you can browse categories or search for specific emoji, then simply click it to insert it into your cell. So for example, you want to use the tick mark, click on this search icon and click tick, and here is the tick, and here you can see the tick is mentioned in the specified cell. Similarly, here you want to use a different emoji, then again press the window key and semicolon key and again open the window and use now this tick for this cell. And here you want to show some hearts, you can also insert here, and here it is. So with this way you can easily insert emoji in Excel cell. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.